Shut down your PC like a pro. Right-click on your mouse and create a new shortcut. Type Shutdown/S and create the shortcut. Now, change the icon of the shortcut. Right-click on the shortcut, Properties, and then Change Icon. Now, you can choose any icon of your choice. I prefer this icon for my shutdown shortcut. Now, here you have your shutdown shortcut. You can simply double-click on that shortcut to shut down your PC. Shut down your PC using keyboard shortcuts. Press Windows and X in your keyboard, then press U 2 times to shut down your PC, or press U and R to restart your PC. Do you also want to customize your Chrome browser like that? Click on the link in the description to know how. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe for more such amazing tech videos, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to get notified.